July 23, 1983. A warm summer day over central Canada. Air Canada Flight 143 is halfway through its trip from Montreal to Edmonton. On board, 61 passengers, 8 crew, and a brand new Boeing 767. One of them is Rick Dion, an Air Canada maintenance engineer. He's traveling with his wife and his young son, heading off on vacation. The captain that day is Bob Pearson, 48 years old. Calm, confident, respected. 15,000 hours in the air. His first officer, Maurice Cantal, equally experienced. 7,000 hours of flight time. But there's something both men share. Very little experience with this brand new aircraft. The Boeing 767 is one of Air Canada's newest jets, only 150 hours old. So advanced it doesn't even need a flight engineer anymore. Everything is computerized, everything automatic. At least, that's what they thought.